What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, you're all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. In this video I'm going to review once again a very hyped up perfume from the house of French Avenue, or you can say Fragrance World, and this is the second from the collection. I have already reviewed Cocoa Morado. You can see the detailed review on my channel if you want, and in this video I am going to review the second from the collection. There are like 3 in this collection. So the second one which I'm going to review here is Liquid Brun or Liquid Brun. I think it's Brun. And once again, this is a solid release from the house of French Avenue. French Avenue is, you can say, a high-end brand by Fragrance World, and the quality in this brand is exceptionally good. So let's start our review, and as always we will start with the presentation first, and then we are going to talk about the fragrance. So once again, the packaging and the presentation is solid here. The only difference is the color. It's very similar to Cocoa Morado, by the way. The only difference is the color. Here you will get this brown box, same matte finish with the name of the perfume, Liquid Brun, this beautiful gemstone here, and the color of the gemstone is, you can say, little like champagne or whiskey type of color here. And then the logo here, nothing on this side, the logo of French Avenue on the top, the made and barcode in the bottom, ingredient details here in the back, notes breakdown on this side, and this is beautiful metallic golden matte sticker here, and then the name of the perfume here on this metallic border all around. Beautiful presentation, a solid box, and you can see this UV spotting here in the back. So this is about the box, and now let me show you the bottle. And bottle once again looks beautiful. So these are magnetic lids, by the way, see. So here, once you open the box, you'll find your beautiful bottle here, and see the color of the bottle. It looks so beautiful. So here, this is velvety fabric here, and this is a cutout of foam and beautiful velvet. You can see the color of the velvet is like light gray. And now let me show you the bottle. And bottle is once again stunning, very similar to the bottle of Cocoa Morado, because all these 3 bottles from this collection, they all look same. The only difference is the color. So here you can see the color. It's copper gold, metallic gold base here, the name of the perfume, Liquid Brun, this beautiful gemstone once again here, and gemstone on the top of the cap once again with this metallic base. Let's spray this bad boy, and here you go. You can see the sprayer, very similar to Cocoa Morado, short burst, big puffs, but this is beautiful. This is a perfume which is inspired by PDM's Perfume de Marly's Altair or Altair. Do let me know in the comments box the right pronunciation of that word, Altair or Altair. I think it's Altair, so we will continue with that. So I love Altair, and I have tested that perfume so many times, and I got, I think, 1 or 2 clones of that perfume already. But this one is once again one more great product. So if you like PDM Altair, do check it out, and you will be very happy. So this was about the presentation and about the inspiration, and now let's talk about the fragrance. So let me give you the notes breakdown first, and then I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So here in the top, the official notes breakdown from Fragrance World. Here in the top you will get cinnamon, bergamot, cardamom, orange blossom. In the middle you will get bourbon, vanilla, and elemi. And then in the base you will get musk, praline, ambroxan, and gaiac. So this is the official notes breakdown, and now I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So first of all, it smells beautiful. If you like spicy vanilla kind of scents, if you love vanilla, you are definitely going to love it. So this is a vanilla based fragrance. I love the scent profile. It opens with a beautiful spicy kind of vanilla. This vanilla is not very sweet. Yes, you will get the sweetness, but it's a little bit more sharp and a little bit more spicy. It's like a spicy sweet kind of vanilla in the opening. And then you will get a beautiful note of praline, cinnamon, and ambroxan. Okay, I have seen some reviews from my fellow YouTube reviewers, and I have seen the marketing campaign of this perfume, and they have shown a lot of chocolates in the marketing campaign, which I totally don't understand, that why they are highlighting a lot of chocolates. For me, yes, there is that feel of chocolate here because they have used praline here, but it's not that chocolatey. It's more like spicy vanilla kind of scent with some cinnamon and ambroxan. So for me, if you say like this is something mouth watering, chocolatey kind of perfume. No, this is not a gourmand. This is more like spicy vanilla. That's it. And then this is a little bit green. It's leathery. Another most prominent thing in this perfume is cardamom, which I forget to tell you in the beginning. So yeah, with all those notes, you will also get beautiful spicy green cardamom here. And now the last but the most prominent thing of this perfume that provides that uniqueness and that beautiful depth in this perfume is elemi. Elemi is a note which gives you that fresh, spicy, piney, balsamic kind of vibe or that kind of smell. So what you will get here is that beautiful, sharp, spicy, sweet vanilla mixed with the note of elemi, which is providing that pine woody kind of vibe here and that balsamic kind of characteristics to this perfume, that beautiful note of praline, ambroxan and cinnamon. But towards the dry down, it becomes a little bit soft and woody kind of scent. It becomes a little bit more balsamic and a little bit more woody. All other things are going to stay with you from the start till end, but in the dry down, it becomes like more soft, woody and balsamic kind of scent. So this was about the journey of this perfume. It's amazing, beautiful, high-end blend, very rich smelling perfume. And now let's talk about that how close is this to the original PDM's Althea. So this is pretty much close. Yes, it's not that dense and that thick, but otherwise the same vibe, the same scent profile. So if you like PDM's Althea like me, do get it. If you don't want to spend 700 800 UAE dirhams for that bottle of Althea, get this, and this is something which can satisfy your itch for PDM's Althea. So this was about the resemblance, and now let's talk about performance and other aspects of this perfume. Performance wise, this is literally a beast. Projection, lasting, everything is top notch. Start with like 8 sprays and then adjust accordingly. For me, 8 to 10 sprays are enough for the whole day and it will be projecting like a beast. So performance is great here. And now let's talk about gender. So this is a perfume which can be used by ladies or gents without any issue. It's a unisex scent for the age group. Once again, you should be a little bit mature. If you are around the age of 20 to 23 plus, you can rock it. And now let's talk about the season. So once again, it's a winter scent, but this is something which can be used in air-conditioned environment in summers. And now let's talk about scenario. This is a perfume which can be used in any kind of scenario. It smells rich, it smells unique, it smells sexy. Just avoid your sports activities and gyms. Other than that, you can rock this perfume in any kind of scenario. The best scenarios will be once again clubbing, pubs, parties, weddings, in your office, in high-end meetings where you want to impress people with your fragrance. So this is about the occasions, and now let's talk about the price. So you will get this perfume once again in 100 ml quantity with this beautiful presentation, and the price I paid for this perfume here inside UAE was 150 UAE dirhams. And once again, I have bought this perfume from Amazon. All these 3 perfumes were bought from Amazon. This perfume is also available on Noon, so it's up to you if you want to buy it from Amazon or Noon. And this perfume is also available in US, in Pakistan, India very easily, and this perfume is selling like a hot cake. So I don't think it will be a difficult task for you to find it out. So this was my review about liquid Brun or liquid Brun. I hope you liked it, and I'm going to catch you in another review of another great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.